Along with grocery stores, pharmacies, and some restaurants, banks are also considered an essential business amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Joining us to talk about the changes Mission Federal Credit Union has made, not only to help its members, but also to abide by the new rules, is CFO Doug Wright. Mr. Wright, good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
Mission Federal Credit Union, there are quite a few branches around San Diego. We're talking, what, 32 branches, and you all are open for business?
Yes, that's correct. 32 branches. All the branches are open for business right now. We've cut back hours a little bit so that we can do a more thorough job of cleaning in the evening. So we're open from 9 to 4 Monday through Friday and 9 to 1 on Saturday.
Okay, very good. And I take it the cleaning and sanitation of those branches are being done basically around the clock?
Absolutely. We're sanitizing throughout the day and then doing a really deep clean every evening. So we make sure that we do our best to keep our members and our staff safe.
Very good. What are you hearing from your members? What kind of questions and what kind of needs are they having right now during this pandemic?
Well, clearly, unfortunately, a lot of members are suffering financially at this point in time. They've lost their job or they're furloughed. And so we're receiving a lot of calls and a lot of requests for assistance, and we're certainly helping them with that. We're doing deferrals to our borrowers on consumer and mortgage loan payments so that they have some time when they don't have to make their payment, usually up to 90 days, and then we'll look at it from there. We also offer a financial assistance loan, which we've had for a while. We have done that for wildfires and other aspects when we've had members that have been harmed by whatever circumstance, and it's a low interest loan, and it's a loan for 24 months up to $5,000 at 3.99% APR, and the first payment is deferred for 90 days. So a lot of our members have been taking advantage of that loan to help them through this kind of really uncertain period of time.
Well, that's great to hear. You're providing some sort of aid to your members, and while at the same time, the banking institution is also giving back to the community, specifically the San Diego Food Bank. Talk to me about those efforts, Mr. Wright.
Yeah, absolutely. We continue with a variety of community efforts, but the one that we're highlighting right now, given that food security is a bigger issue now, is a dollar-for-dollar match, which we just began. So if people are willing to donate to the food bank through our website, we're matching that donation up to $50,000. And we encourage people to jump on our website at missionfed.com/givingback to do so.
Oh, that's a great thing. And again, you just have to go to the website to contribute to that. Speaking of the website, as we talk about technology and online banking, so many of us are doing it. There are still many things that you can do as a member online without having to make that trip to the local branch, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. You can do virtually anything that you would do at a branch online at this point in time, or through our mobile banking app. You can make deposits, you can take withdrawals at ATMs and grocery stores and so on of cash. You can do transfers, you can make loan payments, you can apply for new loans, you can open new deposit accounts, you can get investment advisory services. Virtually anything that you could do going into the branch can be done either online or through the phone at this point.
Okay, that is good to know. And then my last question, Mr. Wright, and I'm not sure if you know the answer to this because this is so new to so many essential businesses. There is now, as you know, a mandate that all essential business employees need to wear masks, some sort of facial covering. Have you all been equipped? Do you all have enough masks for your employees? Are you currently dealing with a need to get coverings?
Yeah, very good question. We are uncertain at this point in time as to whether that actually applies to banks and credit unions. We know it applies to the restaurant industry, but as a measure of safety and conservatism, we are planning on, and as of Saturday, we had asked all of our staff members who are facing customers and facing the public to bring their own masks in. We've also procured a supply of masks that we hope to deliver on Monday to all of our staff members so that they will be equipped with masks.
Well, that's comforting to know for your members. And we'll try to get some clarification from our public health officials on whether or not banking institutions would be required to wear those, as employees, those facial coverings. That's interesting. I had not heard anybody specify that, but we'll try to get to the bottom of it. Kudos to you and Mission Federal Credit Union, though, for taking the lead and providing and encouraging your employees to wear those facial coverings. We appreciate your time, Mr. Wright. Thank you so much for that information on Mission Federal Credit Union and how the credit union is helping out its members during a very, very difficult time. Stay away.